Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any of your photo into a Ghostface Terror animations. It's super spooky, perfect for Halloween season, and the best part is it's free and really easy. Okay, let's get started. First, just let's open Pixverse. You can use it directly on their websites, or if you prefer, just download the Pixverse app from the Play Store. And once installed, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you a daily credit so you can generate photos or animations without paying anything. Next, just on this home screen. Next, on this home screen, just choose template and then just scroll to until you find the one called Ghostface, or you can also search it on the search bar. This one, just tap on it. Like this. This is the filter that will turn from your photo into a scary animated versions. Now just tap on use template. And then just upload or select your photo. You can use a selfie, a portrait, or even a random picture just for fun. And when you're done selected the photo, just tap on create. This one. And then go to mine. And then just wait for the process. Okay, like this. Pixverse automatically process your image and your Ghostface Terror animations is ready. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super easy. Try it with different photos and share it with your friends. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.